Friday, around 7:30 a.m. I'm heading to Wander, Georgia for a customer. They ended up losing the key to a Ram ProMaster. I believe it's a 2024, maybe a 2025. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I pretty much had a few cars this morning. Well, it wasn't that many. It was a Chrysler Pacifica, and the other one was a 2025 Nissan Rogue. So I knocked those out this morning. I didn't record it because it was too dark and I was moving real early. It was like 3 a.m. when I was moving around doing those. But just so I could get to Wander and beat, you know, all this crazy Metro Atlanta traffic. But yeah, man, who's out there still DCing their Bitcoin? I actually bought about $20 today. I try to do 10 to 20 a day if I can. Sometimes I used to do 5, but the Fold app I use, they upped the limit, so you have to do 10. So I do about 10 a day. But I went ahead and did 20 today. And besides that, what about the news? Have you guys seen that Steak and Shake is now, I think starting March 1st, Steak and Shake will be paying their employees 21 cents an hour in Bitcoin as a bonus. That's dope, man. I see the Bitcoin adoption happening. I also seen like in stores in Vegas. Las Vegas is starting to like accept Bitcoin now. So next time I'm out there, I'm definitely gonna try it. Yeah, good morning, y'all. January 26th. I know a lot of us been dealing with these like winter storms and stuff. I'm in Metro Atlanta, so you know we've been dealing with like a lot of slick roads, wind gusts, super cold. Not stuff that we used to down here. And you know, I came into work today. I mean, with the road conditions, I didn't really go around too much. I kind of stayed within like 20 minutes from, you know, the airport. Only did one car today, a Nissan Pathfinder 2024, and that's pretty much it. I didn't really do much after that. I'm kind of just hanging around. Probably gonna go grab me some coffee or something. But yo, have y'all been paying attention though, man? Y'all seeing gold and silver hitting them all-time highs? Like, it's been crazy lately, man. But you know, that usually happens when people is afraid of risk and they want the safety first, you know? Because, you know, the US dollar, it's not as strong as it used to be. It's starting to get weaker. So, you know, it just makes, you know, buying these precious metals for like overseas buyers just way more cheaper. So yeah, I think, you know, people just ain't really trusting in like, you know, the crypto and the S&P 500 right now. But you know, that doesn't mean that stocks and crypto's dead. It just means money is scared right now. And in every cycle, you know, fear always runs to safety first. That's gold. Then policy responds, liquidity comes back, and growth assets takes the baton again. So that's just how it usually works, man. The S&P usually thrives in, you know, the reflation phase. So, you know, that's what I'm just seeing right now. Forgive me, I'm kind of just looking for a car right now that they said they needed the key over here also. But yeah, back to gold, man. So, you know, it's just a, you know, it's running is just a signal of stress. It's not an endpoint. So, and as everybody knows, gold is where money goes to hide. So, but yeah, that's just the update right now, man. And we'll, you know, I'll holler at you guys. Yeah, so one did actually pop up on Nissan Rogue. I mean, I can show you guys how to do this one. It's really simple, straightforward. It's not that hard. I use a program called Consult 4 for Nissan. You do the Rogues, Pathfinders with it. If it was like a Sentra, maybe an Altima, stuff like that, you can use Consult 3. But I only use Consult 3 when it's just for the Nissan Sentras. I usually do the Altimas and Versas with the Smart Pro by Advanced Diagnostics. But it's, yeah, it's pretty much like that. I think it's like one of those towns that has, or cities, they have I think it's the Dorf House Chick-fil-A. I'm not sure which one they got out here. It's actually pretty nice. I might go swing over there to get breakfast again like the last video. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Hayville, Georgia. So I found the Rogue. 5-button. Yo, it's so easy, man. Like, some of these cars, like, it's just simple, straightforward. But yeah, I got it all loaded up. It's ready, connected to the car. All you gotta do is hit quick maintenance. You wanna go to the immobilizer. Once the immobilizer loads up, give it a second. See, you go to key registration operation. You just follow the steps from here. All you gotta do is put this remote up to the start stop button. So since I can't hold both, I'm kind of just gonna lean it on it. Hopefully it goes through. Oops, hold on. Let me try to lean it. That might be good enough. You hit start. Complete it. Hit next. Next. It's freezing out here. Now it's key registration. Oh, might not be too close. Hold on, let me try again. We'll do it with 2 hands. Complete it. Hit next. Test the remote. Make sure the engine cuts on. And that's pretty much it, man. Nissan Rogue Console 4, easy.